There's a blizzard here in New York, so I figured, let's check it out. Right now I'm on the Hudson. They're saying this pier is closed, yet they didn't really block it off, so. I'm on the end of Pier 45 right now. Normally you could see all of Lower Manhattan right there, but it is just too snowy. This snow just keeps coming, man. My mustache is like freezing, dude. The city converted its garbage trucks into snow plows, which is keeping the streets drivable and safe. As you can see behind me, there's still plenty of people out. I mean, look at this.
You want me to throw it at you?
Yeah. There you go. Make sure y'all are tipping these guys. People are lining up to take photos on this thing. I'm walking north on 7th towards the park, and it's coming this way, so the snow's just hitting my face. Thank you for shoveling. I appreciate it. This must be where all the snow they're shoveling goes to. Now we're at Rockefeller Center. The city's doing an excellent job keeping the streets clear. You got this.
Somebody coming to clear it right now.
I just helped him push his car out for the record. This thing is a beast. Lots of action going on at the park right now. People are really using anything for sleds. Those are like cafeteria trays. Looks like one spot people are choosing a sled. Not much of a hill, honestly. I'm gonna climb this hill. I made it up top. You can't really tell where the rock is, so every step you take is kind of a gamble. You got this, bro. Gorgeous view of Midtown and the snow and the rocks. Got some reporting going on right there. All right, my hands are numb. I'm going back to Brooklyn. Be safe out there. Snow's falling from up there and hitting the subway tracks. Definitely a lot less plowed in Brooklyn.